Hello guys, my name is Jay, and in this video we are going to be encrypting and decrypting a PDF file. So I have a PDF file on my PC. Let me open it for you so you can see. So this is the PDF file. It calls, the name is codes.pdf. So as you can see, I opened the PDF file without any form of restriction. So we'll put in that restriction in this PDF file. So I want you to sit back, chillax, and enjoy the code. So we're going to import a module called pypdf. So say pypdf. Then we're going to create a function named encrypt PDF, which is going to have a parameter of input underscore PDF and output underscore PDF, then our password. The input PDF is the PDF we are encrypting, and output PDF is the new PDF that has been encrypted. So we're going to actually read the imputed PDF. So we'll say PDF underscore reader, which is equals to our pypdf dot PDF reader. We are reading the input PDF. Then we're going to now write a new PDF. We're going to create a new PDF file for writing. So we're going to actually say PDF underscore writer. This PDF, new PDF you're writing is going to be the encrypted PDF. So we'll now say the py.pdf writer. So we're going to loop through the imputed PDF. So we're going to say for the page num in the range of the length of the PDF reader dot pages. So we'll now say this section, this range of this section reads the PDF pages, which I call it. Let me say it counts the PDF pages in the PDF. So now those pages in the PDF, I want to add it into the new PDF file. So I want to say PDF writer dot add pages. I'm adding the PDF reader dot pages of the page num. Then we're going to encrypt the PDF file. So for us to encrypt this PDF file, we'll just say the PDF underscore writer dot encrypt, and we're encrypting it with the password. So this file, or this section, this line 13, logs the PDF file using the password we are going to create. So now let's save this encrypted PDF file. We want to use the with keyword with the open function, and we are opening the output PDF, which is the new PDF file that we are creating, and we're opening it for writing. But since it's a PDF file, we want to use the write binary, because PDF files are known for they are binary files, so we use WB instead of W, and we'll say as file. Then we'll say PDF writer dot write the file. So we're going to actually print the statement for the code to run. We'll now say printf this file, then call name of the file output PDF has been encrypted. Then we will now call our function. Wait, I didn't spell this encrypted correctly. The Y. Then we'll now call our function. Then the function needs 3 parameters, and the input file, or the input PDF, is the codes.pdf, the one we opened at the beginning of this video. Then the output file is the encrypted code. Let's name the file encrypted code. Encrypted codes.pdf. Let's put an underscore in between. So then the password. So as a Star Wars fan that I am, I'm going to use one of the Jedis I like. So we're going to use Ila Sekura. Let's call it Sekura. Yeah, Sekura. So now let's run the code and see what happens. So you see this file encrypted codes.pdf has been encrypted. So now let's go back to our folder and see. Okay, look at it here, encrypted codes. Now let's open it. Yes, you're going to ask for a password. Let's go Secura. That's Gather Master Ela Secura. We press open file. This is it. Now we have encrypted this PDF file, so let's decrypt the PDF file. But first of all, I want you to like, subscribe, and share this video. And most importantly, drop a comment on the comment section. Now for us to decrypt this PDF file, we are going to create a new function named decrypt PDF file. You're going to have 3 parameters. You're going to have the input PDF. Then it's going to have the output PDF. Then it's going to have the password. Then I'm going to read the encrypted PDF file. Just like we did earlier, I want to say PDF underscore reader. Let's put this thing down into PDF underscore reader equals to py pdf dot pdf reader, and I'm reading the input PDF. Then we're going to decrypt because the file is already encrypted, we're going to decrypt it. So we'll just say pdf reader dot decrypt and decrypting with the password. This one helps to unlock the PDF file. Then we're going to now write the PDF file. We're going to create a new PDF file so that we can move those decrypted or encrypted from encrypted content into this new PDF file. So we'll say PDF writer is equals to py pdf and PDF writer. So we are just going to just copy this former script earlier from the for loop, copy it down to the print, Ctrl C, and we'll just paste it down here. But we are actually decrypting it, so we're going to remove this line. Okay, we're going to delete this line out because we don't need to encrypt this new PDF. So we'll just delete it, and we will now call our decrypt function. So we'll say decrypt PDF. So the parameter is input PDF. We are decrypting the encrypted codes. So type the encrypted codes .pdf. We're going to save it as decrypted codes .pdf, and we're going to put our Jedi master password again, which is Secura, Ela Secura. Now we're going to run the code. Let's actually comment this one so it doesn't mess up our work. So now let's run the code again. This file decrypted the code has been decrypted. We are supposed to change this to a D. Let's change this to a D. Then put a D here and run it again. Has been decrypted. Move this. Let's run it again. Yeah, this file blah blah blah, blah has been decrypted. So now let's go back to our file and see. So let's look at it, decrypted codes. Now let's open it. Yes, as you can see, no password, no restriction. So guys, this is how you encrypt and decrypt a PDF file. Thank you very much for watching this video.